Hi, it's Anthony from Easystoneshop, and today I'm going to show you how to import your current inventory to the GitHub system. So supposedly you have your spreadsheet with the inventory that you want to import. Uh, you need to interpret all the data or as part of the data to import to be done and download it as a CSV file. After the file is downloaded, you can start the import by going to the Slabs application. Then you press the import button and you need to select that file on your PC. After that, we move next. And here we need to select all the data that should be filled in by um, from the spreadsheet. Okay, so all the data is selected. Now we can move on to the preview. And here we have the items preview. Here you can see how approximately everything will look after the import is done. So if, for example, some data doesn't match or doesn't look like you want it to look, you can change it by going to the previous page. But for now, everything seems to be fine, so we can press the start button. So the import is done, we press the finish. And now slabs are in the slabs application and they are imported. Right now we can find them. So for example, we need to find the antique brown slab, which has serial number of 12342. There it is. As you can see, the data has been filled. Of course, there should also be filled the photo of it and the supplier personal order, but basically all the data is filled by the import. And as you can see, the barcode has been formed and the QR code also has been formed. And by scanning it, you can see the information about the slab. That's it for today. In the next video, I'm going to tell you about the purchasing order and how do we add slabs through the purchasing orders.